Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit text. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button. If you haven't already, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing text here in Drawio is very simple and user-friendly. Alright? Now, once you open the Drawio application on your computer or logged in to your Drawio website version, all you have to do is, for example, if you want to edit the text as your file name here, click this and you would be able to edit the text here by renaming that. Alright? Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to go to the search shapes option and type in text. For example, we wanted to put in a text right here. We're gonna click the text box. You can simply click or drag it here anywhere you want. You can make it a little bit bigger. You can put in the size. For example, we're gonna increase the size to whatever you want it. All right, so that's that. That's how you edit text. Not only that, you have an option to edit the text by highlighting it and replacing all the text that is inside of the text box. Of course, when you hover down here, you also have an option to edit the style. For example, we're going to be choosing a different one right here. And the font style, you have these fonts: Helvetica, Verdana, Times New Roman, Garamond, Comic Sans, MS, Georgia, Tahoma, and a lot more. So it's up to you. And of course, you also have an option to edit the font color. From the white, you can choose from any of the following colors right here. Right? So it's up to you. Your imagination is not limited. In my case, I'm gonna be choosing something like an light orange. And if you have a hex code, just type it in here. See that? And of course, this one can be changed as well. I'm gonna be choosing maybe like a light green. Click on apply. You also have an option for the background color. If it's black, you might want to choose something like a bit like light fuchsia pink right here. You see that? You can put in the border color. You can choose from maybe a blue. Click on apply. Add some shadow right here. These are going to be some of your options. You have the formatted text right here. And of course, you can also add a text going here with a simple text, all right, or a title. You put that here, similarly to the options earlier. You can copy that, paste it to different file format right here, maybe this. You can edit the text depending on your preferences and likeness. And of course, we're going to put in a simple text here. This one right here. Now, not only you can increase the size by dragging the crop factor, you can also use the rotating text here, depending on your preference. 90 degrees, 360, inverted, right here. You see that the lines has been changing, all right? Editing text here in Drawio is very easy, and once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click the file and save. Or you can click the share button to share it to your team members or even to your client. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.